Welcome to the Generating Reports video. WinSPC is designed to generate reports quickly and easily. Using the administrator window, all you need to do is right-click an item that contains data, mouse over Preview, and select a report template. Once a report is generated, right from within the Preview window, you can save the report in PDF, HTML, and other formats, print the report, or send an email with a PDF version of the report attached. WinSPC comes with over 90 report templates, all professionally formatted and ready to use. There are activity templates that show subgroup by subgroup specifics, when data was last captured, and performance against specifications. Comparison templates that track continuous improvement over yearly, monthly, weekly, or daily timeframes. Configuration templates that tell you everything you might want to know about how an item is configured. Cost templates that quantify potential savings from reducing variation, scrap costs, and process offset costs, and a wide assortment of quality templates that provide immediate insight into performance, capability, and other vital measures. Each of these report templates can be modified using WinSPC's Report Designer, or you can use the designer to create your own custom templates. And, for added precision, WinSPC can prompt users who run reports to filter the data to be included. Users can be prompted to filter by date, statistic, tag, and a variety of other criteria. We invite you to learn more about WinSPC. Thanks for watching.